Got to make sure all the bone come out. Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Right now I'll put my saltfish to boil. Everything here. I'll let it boil up in the meantime until I'm ready for it. Okay, so now my saltfish good. This saltfish, as you can see, is not the regular packed saltfish. We call this the Bajan saltfish. As you can see here, it's very thick. This is not the packed saltfish what they have selling. This is the original saltfish. Got to make sure all the bone come out. So now I'll cut up my tomatoes here. Okay, I'll add a little celery, one branch of celery. Cut it up very fine. I'll add a few pimento. So in a little while, I will make my Saltfish Buljol. In the meantime, I want to show you some chicks. I have some Rhode Island chicken. So we'll take a walk to the back. I have them here because I don't want them to go stray away. Sometimes you normally lose them. I don't know how, if it's manicu or what.
So this is common fowl?
Yeah, this is common fowl.
How old are they?
They're about 6 to 7 days. So I'm making sure and secure that portion because I had plenty in here and sometimes they go and don't come back, you know what I mean? You don't know. Sometimes the manicu eat them. So I have them here for the time being, and as they grow bigger, I'll put them in this big box here. But I won't put them there yet because they're still small. As you can see there. I just see about every minute I'm watching them, you know. I just come by the box and I'm bawling, keep. I for them to learn to come for food. Yeah, that's how they, when you say that, they'll all come in your foot. So I'm kind of taming them right now. So now I'll see about my Saltfish Buljol, fry up everything and see what's going on. I'll punk 2 heads of garlic to give it a little flavor. A little bone garlic. All that does help the pot, you know. As you can see, I have a sea stone here from ever since. That's what I use to punk my garlic. Now I don't leave my garlic come too black, because it pick up a bitterness. As long as it come kind of brownish, That's it. I'll put all my other ingredients in it. Okay, now my garlic have a brown color, not too black. So I'll put my ingredients. Now I'll add my ruku. Not too much because it already have tomato in it. So just a little coloring you want. So it is taking color, the ruku color, which is very good.
How long you let the stuff fry for?
Oh, about a little 10 minutes. Yeah, to make sure the tomato and the onion cook up. And the pimento and the celery. That to make sure everything cook. I'll add some water, but not too much for it to make sure everything cook up. So right now I'll add the saltfish into it because everything cooking up. So that's about it there. Everything ready.
So how long you leave it on the pan for?
That's good already because everything cook up. The saltfish already cook. So it was just a matter of leaving the tomato and the celery and the pimento cook up a little bit and just drop the saltfish in it. And that's it. Yeah. So